So this is a serious stamping machine over here. I'm just doing a tour of a factory. Have a look at this for a stamp. Man. That is huge. 800 tons. So this is Vietnam, and I'm doing another factory tour, and this is a friend of mine's factory, and he makes all tanks, all kinds of tanks, gas tanks, petrol tanks, but all the big gear. So if you need a tank built, I can tell you where to go in Vietnam. Huge, huge. Anyway, bye for now. And here they've got a huge bending machine. Bends the radiuses in these big bits of steel. Absolutely huge. It always amazes me how big these factories are in Vietnam. That's some serious metalwork there. Blacksmiths have come a long way. It's a huge tank. And that steel must be 20 millimeters. At least this guy's wearing a shield, a face shield. Only one in Vietnam. Well, that guy's actually got a mask on. There you go. Very good. Look at that for a weld. It's a big pipe. Put it down, put it down. That's huge. It's a paint shop. So sandblasted and brought over here and painted. And I recognise that paint. Oh, it looks like they're painted with hand rollers. Okay. I wouldn't have guessed that. That'd be right. I went to video and then they turned off the plasma cutter. Yeah. Obviously done a lot of work, this one. And look at the size of it for a cutting deck. Huge.